What is an investment? Imagine you have a piece of meat. You can eat it right now, or invest it and get 2 pieces later, or be left with nothing and the feeling that you've been passed around in circles again. Investments are when you give away your meat or money if you're not a predator, in the hope that you'll get more meat later. For example, a wolf gave 1 piece of meat to a cow farm. A month later, he got 2 pieces of meat, one for the investment, the other as profit. If he'd eaten it right away, he'd have calories and sleep, but this way, he got both food and profit. Investments are a game of delayed gluttony, but it's a risk. Maybe the cow will run away, maybe the farmer is a swindler, maybe you invested in milk and an epidemic of lactose intolerance started. Types of investments. Let's figure out where you can invest your meat. In business, the wolf gave meat to the boar who builds a smokehouse. A month later, the wolf receives a percentage of the bacon sold. Pros: it's clear where the meat goes. Cons: if the smokehouse explodes, there will be no bacon. In real estate, the wolf bought a den with a mortgage, rents it to the bear for weekly pieces of meat. Pros: everyone needs housing, especially in winter. Cons: if an avalanche destroys the den, all that's left is the mortgage and memories. In stocks, the wolf buys a share in the bear beer company. If the company grows, the wolf receives dividends and gets rich. If it falls, the wolf gets sad and starts eating roots. Pros: you can earn a lot. Cons: you can lose a lot. In cryptocurrency, the wolf buys Meatcoin. The coin grows in price. A week later, its price fell sharply, and now you can only wipe your ass with it. Pros: fast. Cons: quickly lost everything. Types of investors. There are 2 types of wolves. 1, an experienced investor, thinks how to make meat work, analyzes, compares, reads documents. 2, a newbie saw an ad and says, "Smells like profit, I'll take it all," and then sniffs his own tail because there is nothing else to eat. Real risk. Investing is not magic. If you are promised a lot for a very short time, know that you are not an investor, you are lunch. The best investments are boring, understandable, and bring profit slowly. To avoid being left without meat, always understand where you are investing. Don't throw all the meat in one place. Check those who take your pieces. If it smells rotten, don't sniff it, leave. Investing is not just a way to make money. It is the ability to not be hungry in the future. Just remember, an investor is someone who thinks. A victim is someone who believes in a free steak. Choose who you are. Like and subscribe if you consider yourself a real predator.